Hey everyone, I'm Jordan.
I'm Andrea.
I'm a member of the Waterloo Region Electric Vehicle Association, and we just wanted to show you our 2018 Long Range Model 3 single motor edition, and Andrea is going to take us for a ride along.
Hello everybody. I'm just gonna go for a drive in the Tesla and tell you what we love about the car. So one thing that I really like about the car is that we always get updates to the car. So recently we got the update for the side cameras. So whenever people have suggestions, they'll tweet out to Elon and say, hey, like, can you do this? And he'll say yay or nay, which is great. So it's like we get different things without having to buy a whole new car, different features. The other thing is, so I used to drive 45 minutes to work, and I'd always be the one being like, oh, do I want to fill up with gas now or in the morning? Then I'd do it in the morning, and then I'd be driving to work, and I'm like, oh, I don't want to go get gas now. Like, I'm tired. I just want to get to work. Or I'd be driving, and I forgot that I had to get gas. So now, or when I was driving, even now, but when I was driving to work 45 minutes to work, I just had like a full tank of gas, a full charge. I just come home, I plug it in, I don't have to worry about it, which is amazing. Like, we haven't been to a gas station in forever. I don't have to stand outside in the cold or anything like that. Another thing is music. Like, we don't have to listen to the radio. I really like the fact that the GPS is like right there, and I don't have to worry about mounting my phone anywhere. And it just shows me all the time where I want to go if I need to. It has presets for your seats. It'll recognize who's coming up to the door based on your phone, and then you just hit the brake and it'll put your seat up to where it's supposed to go. The other thing that I really like is that the dash is really minimal. There's nothing on the dash. It's not distracting. The one time we went to drop off the car to get the roof fixed, because we got a rock chip in it, and they gave me, I think it was a BMW or an Audi or something like that. And I went in and I'm like, oh my god, I don't know how to do anything in this car. There are so many buttons, or there's like 5 ways to do one thing. I'm like, this is way overwhelming and way too much. And with the Tesla, it's just super simple. I don't have to worry. I know everything is on the screen, and I can just click it and off I go. The other great thing is that there's an app on your phone, so like I can preheat the car or pre-cool the car down before I get in the car. Do that when I am done work on my way out, and it heats up or cools down super fast. And yeah, all the controls are on the phone, and you get updates for any sort of software update or if Sentry mode is activated. And yeah, so that's my little spiel.
And thanks so much to Electric Vehicle Society for putting this together so that we have an opportunity to still reach out to non-EV owners during this during the pandemic. Nice and safe. Y'all just watch the video, so enjoy.